Have you ever wondered how to make money from Amazon Mechanical Turk? Well, let's dive into the fascinating world of this crowdsourcing marketplace. Picture this, a bustling digital marketplace where businesses and individuals can delegate their tasks and processes to a vast, distributed workforce. This workforce, or Turkers as they are commonly known, operate from the comfort of their homes, coffee shops, or anywhere with an internet connection really, and perform these tasks virtually. Now you might be asking, what kind of tasks? Well, think data validation, research, survey participation, content moderation, and much more. It's all about harnessing human intelligence to complete tasks that computers are currently unable to do. Amazon Mechanical Turk, or M-Turk for short, is this vibrant virtual marketplace. It's a place where you can earn money by performing these tasks, referred to as HITs, or human intelligence tasks. In this video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of how to make money from Amazon Mechanical Turk. So, stay tuned. To start making money, you first need to sign up as a worker. Now you may be wondering, how do I do that? Well, it's a pretty straightforward process. Let's walk through it together. First, head over to the Amazon Mechanical Turk website. Look for the Get Started with Amazon M-Turk button. Click on it and you'll be directed to a sign-up page. Here you'll need to provide some basic information about yourself. This will include details such as your name, email address, and a secure password. Remember, your password should be something unique and difficult for others to guess. After you've filled out all the necessary details, you'll need to accept Amazon's terms and conditions. Please take some time to read through these terms thoroughly. They outline the rules of engagement on the platform, and it's important that you understand them fully. Once that's done, you'll need to wait for Amazon to review your application. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a couple of days, so don't fret if you don't receive a response immediately. Amazon wants to ensure that all workers on their platform are legitimate, so they take the time to review each application carefully. It's also worth noting that Amazon Mechanical Turk is not available in all countries, and certain requirements need to be met. Amazon has not made these requirements public, but they generally include being at least 18 years old and having a valid bank account. So do ensure you meet these basic requirements before applying. Once your account is approved, you'll receive an email notifying you of the same. This email will also contain instructions on how to log into your new Amazon Mechanical Turk worker account. And voila, you're all set. You've successfully signed up as a worker on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Once your account is approved, you are ready to start accepting tasks known as HITs. Wondering about HITs? Let's delve into that. HITs, or human intelligence tasks, are the tasks that you'll be performing on Amazon Mechanical Turk. These are jobs that require human intelligence, hence the name. They can be as simple as data validation, where you're checking data for accuracy, or research tasks where you're gathering specific information from the web. But HITs don't stop there. They can also involve more complex tasks like content creation. This could be writing a product description, creating a catchy title for a blog post, or even coming up with a new recipe for a food website. The possibilities are vast and varied, and there's likely something for everyone. The beauty of HITs is that they offer flexibility. You can select tasks that align with your skills and interests, making the work not just profitable, but also enjoyable. Remember, the key is to choose HITs that match your skills and interests. Now that you understand HITs, let's talk about how to accept and complete them. Accepting HITs on Amazon Mechanical Turk is akin to picking apples from a tree. You browse through the available tasks, and when you find one that suits your skills and interests, you simply accept it. However, be mindful of the HITs requirements before you click that accept button. Make sure you understand what the requester is asking for, and that you are capable of completing it to the best of your abilities. Once you've accepted a HIT, it's time to get to work. The key to success here is efficiency and accuracy. Remember, you're not just working for immediate pay, but also for your reputation as a worker. A high approval rate can open doors to more lucrative HITs in the future. So, think of every task as a brick in the foundation of your Mechanical Turk career. How to be efficient, you ask? Well, it's all about managing your time and resources wisely. Prioritize tasks that you are confident in completing quickly and accurately. Use tools and resources like Turk, which provides reviews of requesters to avoid tasks from those with a history of unfair rejections. Accuracy, on the other hand, is all about attention to detail. Follow the instructions to the letter. If something isn't clear, seek clarification before proceeding. Some HITs might seem simple, but they require a keen eye and careful execution. Don't rush through tasks just to get them done. Take your time, double-check your work, and make sure it meets the requester's requirements. Lastly, keep track of your progress. Amazon Mechanical Turk provides a dashboard that displays your completed hits, earnings, and approval rate. This will help you gauge your performance and identify areas for improvement. So there you have it. Accepting and completing hits is a process that requires careful selection, efficient work habits, and a commitment to quality. With these tips, you're well on your way to becoming a successful worker on Amazon Mechanical Turk. Remember, quality over quantity. Your acceptance rate and the quality of your work can affect your access to future tasks. You might be thinking, how can I maximize my earnings on Amazon Mechanical Turk? Well, it's all about strategy. Let's dive right in. Firstly, maintaining a high acceptance rate is paramount. It's like a credit score for your work. The higher your acceptance rate, the more likely you are to be offered high-paying tasks. So how do you maintain a high acceptance rate? One word: quality. Ensure your work is accurate, thorough, and submitted on time. Remember, every task you complete effectively and efficiently not only puts money in your pocket, but also builds your reputation. Next, focus on higher-paying tasks. It sounds obvious, right? But when you're scrolling through countless tasks, it's easy to get sucked into completing low-paying tasks that don't require much thought or effort. It's the classic case of quantity over quality. But here's the thing, higher-paying tasks, although they might take a little longer, will ultimately yield a higher return. So, be selective. Choose tasks that are worth your time and effort. Finally, let's talk about scripts. Scripts aren't just for actors or programmers, they're for anyone looking to streamline their workflow. In the context of Amazon Mechanical Turk, scripts are tools that help you filter tasks, track your earnings, and even automatically accept tasks. Imagine being able to sift through tasks quickly, focusing only on those that meet your criteria. That's the power of scripts. There are numerous scripts available online, and learning how to use them can be a game changer. Let's wrap this up. Maximizing your earnings on Amazon Mechanical Turk isn't about working harder, it's about working smarter. It's about focusing on quality, choosing higher-paying tasks, and utilizing scripts to streamline your workflow. With the right strategy, you can significantly increase your earnings on Amazon Mechanical Turk. So, what are you waiting for? Start implementing these strategies today and watch your earnings grow. Like any other platform, Amazon Mechanical Turk also has its challenges. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room: low-paying tasks. Yes, it's true. Some tasks on this platform might not seem worth your time, especially when you're just starting out. You might find yourself sifting through tasks that only pay a few cents. And while these tasks might be quick to complete, they might not always provide a substantial return for your time. This brings us to our second challenge: competition. With thousands of people around the globe tapping into the potential of Amazon Mechanical Turk, the competition is fierce. Highly priced tasks are often snapped up quickly, leaving the less lucrative ones behind. This is where being strategic in accepting tasks comes into play. Remember, it's not always about the quantity of tasks you complete, but the quality. Focus on tasks that offer a good return for your time. If a task pays well but takes an hour to complete, it might not be as valuable as 3 tasks that pay less, but only take 20 minutes in total. Also, don't forget to consider your skills and expertise. Are you a whiz at data entry, or maybe you have a knack for spotting errors in text? Leveraging your strengths can help you stand out from the crowd and secure those higher-paying tasks. And lastly, don't be disheartened by the initial hurdles. Like any platform, Amazon Mechanical Turk requires some getting used to. It might take a little while to learn the ropes and figure out which tasks are worth your time, but with patience, persistence, and a little strategic thinking, you'll start to see those earnings add up. Despite these challenges, with patience and strategy, Amazon Mechanical Turk can be a viable source of income. So, why not give it a try? After all, every journey begins with a single step. And who knows, this could be the start of an exciting new income stream for you.